Milwaukee's M18 XC5.0 starter kit is one of the biggest Black Friday surprises this year, and today we're taking a closer look at whether this 50% off deal from Home Depot is actually worth buying. A lot of people already know that Milwaukee's M18 platform is one of the most reliable cordless tool ecosystems out there, with over 200 tools sharing the same battery system. But when a retailer cuts the price in half on a kit that includes 2 extended capacity batteries and a dual platform charger, it's worth stopping to ask if there's a catch, or if this really is one of the best deals of the season. The kit includes 2 RedLithium XC5.0 batteries, each rated at 5 amp-hours of capacity. These batteries sit right in the sweet spot of Milwaukee's lineup. They're not too heavy, like the larger high-output packs, but they offer far more runtime than compact CP batteries. For most people using drills, impact drivers, saws, grinders, hedge trimmers, blowers, or other medium to high demand tools, the XC5.0 is widely considered the ideal size. It gives you enough endurance to handle serious work without throwing off the balance or adding unnecessary weight to the tool. You also get Milwaukee's M18 and M12 charger. This is the standard dual platform charger that Milwaukee includes with many of its higher end kits. It charges both M18 and M12 batteries, so if you're someone who owns tools on both systems, you can consolidate your charging setup and reduce clutter. The charger is fast for its category, and a depleted XC5.0 battery typically gets back to full within about an hour depending on conditions. At full price, this kit usually sits around $399. Seeing it drop to $199 is a major discount, and it's not something we see often for extended capacity packs. Beyond price alone, one nice advantage of buying this deal through Home Depot is that they are an authorized Milwaukee retailer. That means the batteries and charger come with Milwaukee's full 3-year warranty, something you don't always get if you buy from third-party sellers on other platforms. Home Depot also gives you a 90-day return window, which is longer than most retailers offer. Looking at user feedback, the kit has accumulated more than 4,000 reviews on Home Depot's website with an average rating of 4.7 stars out of 5. Many reviewers praise the XC5.0 batteries for having the right combination of weight, runtime, and performance. One user mentioned that the battery powers their hedge trimmer for about an hour straight, which lines up with what we typically see from a 5 amp-hour pack under real-world use. Others describe the batteries as their go-to size for most jobs, providing plenty of juice but without the bulk of Milwaukee's larger batteries. Of course, not all reviews are positive. A small number of customers reported receiving batteries that wouldn't hold a charge or appeared to be defective right out of the box. This can happen with lithium-ion batteries that have been stored for extended periods or exposed to temperature extremes in transit or warehousing. A few others reported shorter than expected runtimes, which can be caused by several factors. High-demand tools such as grinders or circular saws, using the batteries in cold weather, or degradation from heavy previous use if the packs were part of an older batch. The takeaway here is simple. Once you buy the kit, test both batteries immediately. Use them on a couple of tools, run them down fully, and charge them back up. If anything seems off, the 90-day return window gives you plenty of time to exchange the kit without hassle. When deciding whether this deal makes sense, it's helpful to think about who benefits most from it. If you're new to the Milwaukee M18 platform, this kit is a great foundational purchase. 2 extended capacity batteries can power almost any tool Milwaukee offers, and the charger supports both M18 and M12 if you want to expand later. If you're already invested in Milwaukee's ecosystem, picking up 2 more XC5.0 packs at half price is a smart way to increase your battery rotation. And if you're a professional who burns through batteries daily, then buying these at such a steep discount is almost a no-brainer. At the end of the day, the real question is whether this kit at $199 provides good value. Considering the regular price, the performance of the XC5.0 batteries, the convenience of the dual-platform charger, and the warranty benefits of buying through an authorized retailer, it's hard to find much to complain about. The only real risk is receiving a pack that isn't performing at 100%, but the generous return policy minimizes that concern. For most buyers, this Black Friday deal is unquestionably worth it. You're getting 2 well-regarded extended capacity batteries, reliable charging hardware, full warranty protection, and strong user feedback backing up the performance claims. If you've been waiting for the right moment to expand your Milwaukee lineup, or if you just need dependable batteries at a better price, this is the kind of deal that doesn't come around often. For the majority of users, whether DIY or professional, this Milwaukee M18 XC5.0 starter kit at half off is one of the strongest tool values of the entire Black Friday season.